Hi guys, welcome to my channel Roots for Software Engineer. In this video, I will cover about what is software, what is website, what is web page, what is web browser, and what is web server. Okay, actually these are most important thing when we are doing projects in real-time applications. Okay, let me discuss about one by one. And first one is nothing but software. Okay, first one is nothing but software. Okay, now what does the software will discuss? Now look at here, it is nothing but the set of instructions. It is nothing but the set of instructions, or we can see, okay, programs. We can say what is it? Programs, and used to operate operate computers, and used to operate computers, and as well as we can say execute specific task. Okay, it is a set of instructions or programs used to operate computers and execute specific task. Okay, now we'll go with the next one, that is nothing but the web browser. Okay, and web browser is also a software. Web browser is also a software which is used, actually which is installed on, first of all we'll go with this point, which is installed on desktop, and different types of browsers we have. One is Chrome, and second one we can say Firefox, and next we can say Microsoft Edge, and another thing is nothing but Safari. Okay, now these all are browsers. Okay, now these browsers are used to take applications, or we can say or are data from the server. Okay, and next another thing, okay, that is nothing but the web server. Okay, now web server is also a software. Web server is also a software, and which is installed on, which is installed on server machine, servo machine. Okay, next here different types of softwares we have for the server, that is nothing but apache Tomcat, let me write properly, Apache Tomcat, etc. Okay, and next, okay, fine, we discussed about the definition, but we don't know practically what is it. Okay, let me discuss this one in depth. Okay, now be with the patience, just wait 1 minute. Okay, now look at here guys, here I will consider as my browser. Imagine, suppose this is my browser. Okay, and at present I'm using browser is nothing but the Chrome. Okay, and in this browser I want to open one application called as the Flipkart. Okay, now next another thing, this side we have one software. Okay, that we can say as server. Okay, and these both are communicating with the help of internet. Okay, now let me discuss this one in depth. Suppose I want to open this Flipkart in this my Chrome browser. First I'm searching here in the search bar what is that Flipkart. Okay, I'm searching here what is it Flipkart, and later on I'm hitting enter. Immediately it is going request to the server with the help of internet. Okay, and whenever we requested to the server, in server we stored application. Anyway, our Flipkart application is also we have. Okay, Flipkart application also we have in the server. So this server is giving response to what is it, browser with the help of internet. That is nothing but the Flipkart. Okay, now Flipkart open again. Suppose I am requesting to the login in that Flipkart, again it is going to the request to the server with the help of internet, and it is giving response of that login page with the help of internet to the browser. This is nothing but the web browser and web server. Web server is used to store and web server, web browser is used to what is it, taken applications from the server, and web server is used to store applications in this server. Okay, now next let me discuss about other thing. Okay, I need to adjust this one. Just wait 2 minutes or 1 minute. Let me take it this one properly. Okay, now next one is nothing but web site. Okay, now what is website? We'll discuss. Look at here, these all are actually important when we are doing our what is it, when we are doing job in real time. Okay, now website, suppose imagine, now previously we requested to the server our application. Now Flipkart application is there in our browser, correct? Now in this Flipkart what is it, application, we have number of web pages. We have number of web pages. If we combine all the web pages properly in systematical manner, we can say it as like one site, and that site is nothing but the Flipkart site. Okay, now this is nothing but the website. Means what? Collection of, we can see collection of pages, collection of pages. Okay, and we'll go with another thing called it as web page. Okay, now suppose any one of the web page I opened in this Flipkart. Now it will give some content. It will give for us what is it, some content, and it will give some images. It will give some what is it, buttons. Okay, icons, everything, correct? That is nothing but the web page. Web page is nothing but the collection of content. We can say collection of content and collection of what is it, let me write here, collection of content. Next, collection of images. For advertisement we are giving images, right? And next we can say collection of buttons, collection of buttons. Okay, and we can go with here icons, everything. This is comes under what is it, web page. Okay, now let me discuss this one practically. Okay, look at here guys, I'm going to open this Flipkart application. Now immediately it is going request to the server, and server giving response to the browser. Means what happening, browser expecting applications from the server, and server giving applications to the browser. Means server we used for the storing an application, and browser is used to collect applications from the server. Okay, and next we discussed about website as well as web pages, right? Now look at here, this Flipkart application we can say as one website. Okay, because this website having number of web pages. Okay, number of web pages means, look at, now I clicked this grocery, it is one of the web page having to the Flipkart. Okay, next another thing, Another thing, look at here, electronics. In the electronics, different types of electronics we have. Suppose for example, I will go with your gaming, and this is one of the web page which is comes under the Flipkart website. Okay, and this web page is having what is it, content as well as images, and we can say buttons. Okay, and next what we say, okay, everything we have, correct, a collection of content we can say as one web page. And web pages collections is nothing but the website, and website we are taking from the server, and browser is using the applications to do some task. Okay, thank you guys, bye bye, we'll meet in next class.